If you're doing anything online, almost every project requires videos, images, GIFs, vectors, audios, or all of the above. Of course, the best way to get access to all the media you need is to join a top-quality stock media platform. And that's why you invested in StockRush, right? Currently, StockRush is the best value and the most comprehensive stock media platform for online entrepreneurs like yourself. But you're not the only one that needs what StockRush has to offer. Far from it. There are millions of other marketers in your shoes that don't even know that StockRush exists, but they desperately need to get their hands on affordable stock media. And this makes having your own stock media platform a massive money-making opportunity. Hold on, because we've got an even bigger money-making opportunity for you. During the American gold rush back in the 1800s, people selling the shovels and mining tools to the gold miners in California actually made more money than the people looking for gold. A lot more. That's why this upgrade is so exciting. It's basically the same exact concept, but in the world of stock media. When you upgrade to StockRush White Label, you'll be able to create turnkey stock media websites that you can sell to others and keep the profit for yourself. Now, you don't have to worry about selling memberships or subscriptions to the stock media platform. All you have to do is create the platform and sell it to one of the many ravenous buyers out there looking for turnkey sites just like this. This upgrade makes it easy to quickly create stunning stock media websites for others with a few clicks of your mouse. These stock media websites are fully turnkey and a great way for your buyers to make money. Your buyers keep 100% of the profits from their new stock media website. You get paid. This is a huge opportunity for you to make big money because everyone needs stock media. So this is a huge opportunity for your buyers to get in on a growth industry without any hard work. You could sell these completely turnkey stock media websites for any price you want and keep 100% of the profits for yourself. Your buyers can then keep any of the profit they make from charging a subscription fee for access to the new stock media platform. No technical skills are needed to make money offering turnkey stock media websites to others with our white label upgrade. And everything you need to get buyers and fulfill your new turnkey stock media website orders are included when you upgrade. First off, you get our white label rights license that allows you to legally create and sell turnkey stock media websites based on the StockRush Enterprise platform to others, and you get to keep 100% of the profits for yourself. Each turnkey stock media store includes 10 million stock media images, videos, GIFs, vectors, audios, and an easy-to-use, intuitive dashboard that makes it easy for your buyers to track and manage their sales. Because this is your business, you'll be able to brand your new turnkey stock media creation service with your own logo and branding. Access to an easy-to-use store creation tool that makes it easy to create, customize, and give access to your buyers when they purchase a store. Everything you need to manage your new business and make money is included when you upgrade to white label. Plus, you and your clients will be able to process payments using the built-in support for payment processing with PayPal. And on top of everything else, we'll even show you exactly how to start making sales and the exact steps to follow to make as much money as possible. Upgrading to StockRush White Label is an easy way to add thousands of dollars to your bottom line. Remember, you keep 100% of the profits generated by selling your turnkey stock media websites to others. No need to spend countless months getting it all set up. Everything is locked and ready to go. This is something that people need, want. These types of websites sell for thousands of dollars on website marketplaces, and you'll be able to crank these out with a few clicks of your mouse. Although you could sell these turnkey stock media websites for well over $1,000, let's say you charge a modest price like $497. Just one turnkey stock media website sale per week would be $497 per week, pure profit. 2 turnkey stock media website sales per week would mean $994 per week in pure profit. And if you were able to sell 5 turnkey stock media websites per week, that's $2,485 per week in pure profit. This is one of those investments that will very quickly pay for itself. And as a valued customer, we've slashed the price on our white label license if you upgrade right now. To upgrade now and lock in your discount, just click the button below and choose the option that works best for you. But please don't wait around. This is a special one-time offer. And if you come back later, you'll completely miss out on your chance to make money offering premium turnkey stock media websites to others. When you get this upgrade now, you also get access to exclusive bonuses that will put even more money in your pocket, and you get a full 30 days to make sure this is for you. That means if you change your mind for any reason, just let us know and we'll send you a refund. If you like the idea of quickly adding thousands to your bottom line without any hard work required, you owe it to yourself to get this exclusive upgrade. Click the button below and choose the discount option that works the best for you to get started right away.